resilience, an ability to recover from or adjust easily to misfortune or change. It's been almost a year since I posted, and to be honest, life has been a shit show, but I'm hanging in there, focusing on the positives of life, getting back to the things that I love. So let's see what I've been up to. Welcome back to my channel.
All in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Fuck your mind up, waste time. I'm prone to that, do it all the time. Keep your guards up, who waited line. You don't need me, please believe me. This ain't easy, you know I've been feeding. Let me unleash my demons on you. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do, just tell me when it hurts. When I get you to myself, there's murder. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do, just tell me.
Thank you.
Box.
Yes, I'm excited. Guys, I am in awe. I am so happy. I'm in the new place and this is my new home. Like, I just can't believe it. Like honestly, I just have to earlier I was just walking around and I just kept saying thank you Jesus, because God did his big one. Okay, God did his big one. Like, guys, I am so happy. I can't tell you guys enough how happy I am, like honestly. And yeah, I just can't believe it. I can't believe it. Guys, I wanted to show you. I got myself some flowers. Her page wants to contact her, but the roses are absolutely beautiful. Like, listen, I'm gonna give you guys a little sneak peek, okay? A little sneak peek.
You call this, hope it's not romantic. I ain't got no kids, so don't be so childish. Wildin', I be wildin' too. Not like you, so maybe it look like you. Maybe we ain't so different. Maybe I be trippin'. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do, just tell me when it hurts. When I get you to myself, there's murder.
So guys, I did a little walkthrough. I don't get the actual walkthrough paperwork until tomorrow, but I just did a little walkthrough just to see if there's anything that's standing out right now, and there's nothing that's standing out. I do need to go outside because I have a yard now, so I need to check outside. I haven't checked yet because it's hot as hell. And honestly, I think I'm just gonna get a little bit of cleaning supplies. I need to get packing supplies because I still need a few more boxes because the movers come tomorrow. Should be. Oh, you're dealing with that?
see you falling out of love with me. Hope you can find someone to love you better than I did. Taking our memories on love and treating it like nothing. Taking our memories on love and treating it like gossip. Tried love, but I can't no more. Nah. Trying to find loyalty, it ain't no more. Nah. Told myself I wasn't gonna drink no more. It's like the styrofoam glued to me though. I feel weak for using drugs to ease the pain. Run the street, turn creep in my thing. A bit of change, make a nigga change. Different tax bracket, but my number still the same. I done seen dope turn a nigga who had hope to a nigga with no hope. Hung himself by a rope. No joke, cause he did it on ropes. And he served an undercover judge, gave his ass a vote. I done seen fame turn a nigga on his bro. Turn a bitch into a nigga turn into a hoe. Identity crisis, people don't know who they is. Cause these bitches act like niggas and these niggas act like hoes. Shooting for the moon, but the stars ain't found. Trying to make a dollar and I'm short now. You know I'm a hustler.
Good morning. It's moving day and I'm so excited. So I just came back from getting some tape because tape ran out on me, so I need to tape a few boxes. I did some dishes. I need to pack those and I have all of these to pack. And right there, that's just like kitchen stuff, cleaning stuff, and Zuri stuff. That's all I have left to pack. And yeah, it's currently 8:55. The movers come at 9:30. So I have a good amount of time just to pack these up while they get here. So I'm just gonna hurry and do that. And yeah, I'm gonna jam out. I don't know if they're gonna take my TV first. I wanna continue listening to music as long as I can. I'm just gonna pack these up and yeah, guys, let's get this show on a roll.
Look at her. Look at her, mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in a hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you know what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Stop on what I want.
need some me time.
Hope you know what you want.
Crib
by the beast like Odell. No, I'm on my killers don't tell. Shadow, I'm on 'cause